Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix another error occurred while connecting to Epic servers. Please try again later. ESP-BUIMET-003 error on Fortnite. So basically this error is related to internet connection. So the first thing that you need to do here, you need to go to your browser, go to speedtest.net and check your internet speed. And if you have good internet speed, you're good to go. But if you don't, try to limit maybe some devices that you're running on your internet, or maybe if you did not restart your router in a while, please do so. And then check your internet connection if it's good, right? And if you don't have any problems related to your internet connection, then the next thing that you need to do here is to basically change your DNS settings. So on the bottom right, you should see this little network icon here. Right click on it, go to Open Network and Internet Settings, and then go to Change Adapter Options here, and then right click on it, go to Properties, and then find Internet Protocol version 4. Press Use the following DNS server addresses, and on Preferred DNS server, write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server, write 8.8.4.4, right? And if the problem persists, then the last thing that you can do here, you just need to press Windows and R key to open this run bar here, and then you just need to write %sign local app data %sign. Press OK, and on this window you need to find Epic Games Launcher here, and basically here on saved you should see, I just deleted that, but you should see webcache 4430 I believe a folder, or webcache, and you just need to delete that folder. And also then you need to go to, after you delete the folder, go to saved, config, crash report client, and you just need to basically delete crash report client folder as well, right? And that should fix your problem. So yeah, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.